Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to test Internet Information Server connectivity on a Windows 7 computer. We've recently installed IIS and now we need to test it. There are two installations we're going to test. One of them is a standard TCP port 80 installation as if it were intended for the internet, and the other is a non-standard installation where we set the TCP port to 4444 for intranet use. So I've got two virtual machines here running Windows 7 in VMware Player. The web server is installed on BK-CL1. So let's test from BK-CL1 first. If I launch Internet Explorer and then go to the address bar and type in http://127.0.0.1, this is a localhost request. And this pulls up standard TCP port 80, and we've got a default web page that says IIS 7. Now let's check our intranet connection by taking the last slash off, appending a colon, and then typing the port in of 4444. Hit the enter key and bingo, we have success here as well. So we know that our websites are functioning on the local machine. So let's go over to BK-CL2, which is a Windows 7 computer, which is also a member of the same domain as BK-CL1. So let's launch our Internet Explorer browser on BK-CL2 and try connecting to http://bk-cl1. Press the enter key and nothing's happening. We'll wait and wait and wait and nothing's happening. So let's stop this connection and try connecting to the intranet website by changing the port to 4444. Press the enter key and same thing, we're waiting, waiting, and waiting. So let's stop this and check BK-CL1's firewall to make sure we're allowing incoming connections. So let's click on the Start button, go to Control Panel, go to System and Security, and click on Windows Firewall. And then we'll turn Windows Firewall on or off. So for a quick test, this is not recommended in the real world or for long-term use, but for a quick test, let's go to the domain network location settings and turn off our Windows Firewall, and then we'll click OK. Now we can go back to BK-CL2 and try connecting to BK-CL1. Press the enter key and voila, we have a website. And now let's try connecting on port 4444. Press the enter key, voila, we have a website again. So the Windows Firewall was preventing us from connecting to the BK-CL1 computer. So to actually test this theory a little further, we're going to go ahead and close our browser on BK-CL2, go back to BK-CL1, and let's turn the firewall back on, click OK, and then go back to BK-CL2. We'll open our browser, and before we try connecting again, let's go into Tools, Internet Options, and delete any temporary files or cached web pages. So we'll click the delete button, and we'll click the delete button again, and then click OK. And now we'll click on http://bk-cl1. Press the enter key, and we're waiting, and we're waiting, and we're waiting. That's not going to work, so we'll stop that. So let's try the intranet site on port 4444. Press the enter key, and we're waiting, and we're waiting, and we're waiting, and that's not going to work. So we've now proven that we need to modify our Windows Firewall to allow a connection from a different computer into your Windows 7 IIS web server. So please check soon for a video where we'll explain how to allow a program to connect through a Windows firewall on Windows 7. This is BrickHouseLabs.com, and thank you very much for watching.